你好，大家好. Hello everyone, welcome to Chinese Around You. I'm Melissa, your guide to making Chinese fun and easy. Today, we're gonna learn something magical, how to count like a native Chinese speaker. Here is why this matters. In China, numbers are not just for counting, they carry special meanings and luck. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to count to number 10 and also to understand why Chinese people love the number 8 so much. Ready to play with numbers? Let's jump in. We'll learn like babies do. First, we just listen these numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. 1 2 3 4 5 Great. Next set. 6 7 8 9 10 6 7 8 9 10 Number 8, 八 sounds like 发 in 发财. So 发财 means get rich. So 八 sounds like 发 in Chinese. 发财, get rich. So let's chant together. So 6 7 8 9 10 6 7 8 9 10 And from number 1 to number 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Let's play a very small game together. I'm gonna say a number and you shout. If it's small, then you can just say 小. So 小 means small. And if it is a big number, from number 6 to number 10, then you say 大. So 大 means big. So from number 1 to number 5, say 小, small. And if it is a number from number 6 to number 10, then you just say 大, big. So ready? Let's go. The first number. 3 3 Yes, you're correct. It is 小, so small number. And the second one, 八 八 Correct. It is 大. It is a big number. Once in Beijing, I saw something funny. A car license plate with 八八八八, so 4 8s, sold for 1 million RMB. So why? Because 八 sounds like 发, get rich. And also there is another number, 四 4. So 4 is number 4. So 4 sounds like death. So many buildings skip 4th floor. So that's the reason why you see 8 bar everywhere in China. So now let's do a real life practice. So imagine you are in a Chinese market. So 这个多少钱？这个多少钱？ How much is this? 5块5块5 yuan 太贵了太贵了3块3块 too expensive 3 yuan. So here you can see numbers are super useful. And in today's episode, you did a great job because you mastered from number 1 to number 10 like a pro. You also discovered why number 8 means lucky. And you also practice real bargaining. And next week, we're gonna learn some more about the numbers. Hit follow so you don't miss our episode. Remember, every Chinese learner started by counting 1, 2, 3. And now that is you. 再见，我是 Melissa， 和我一起听懂中文，看懂世界。